Alright guys, so in 2026, let's start paper trading to profitability week 1. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first, I just applied a volume profile towards the external highs and current lows on the chart because I'm not really looking for a scalp in this area, so all I really did was just mark out my point of control and value area high with just an internal value area, which is just essentially value area high, value area low, and also the point of control. It's just all combined. In case my buy limit gets filled, these would be my resistance and support zones later on. I set my buy limit and I'm honestly feeling pretty good, right? So here's the time lapse. Bruh. So at this point, I got a little tilted and wanted to just hop in a short and hope it goes down. It was honestly 0 confirmations, not once, but 3 times. It's safe to say what happens to those. Yeah, so I ended the day with negative 37 and got absolutely cooked. Yeah. Starting today, I saw CPI in Forex Factory, which is just major news you should avoid since it can spike the market unpredictably. So with that being said, I decided to run a Monte Carlo simulation, which essentially just plays out your projected strategy and gives you results, aka profits. Before we start, let's explain my strategy. Right, let's just draw eyes and a smile. Okay. So apparently, in the auction market theory that I'm using, 70% of trades happen in here. At one point, it goes to these tiny fins and comes back because of its buyers or sellers didn't agree on that price. And this is called a failed auction. And the same goes for the opposite. So this would come back into the 70% range. Eventually, we'll hit the 70% part where it hits the big fins, which makes a continuation which they say it's a fair price. So with this knowledge, let's try to apply it to the market and hope I don't crash out. I don't know why, but I just immediately bought and got stopped out immediately with no confirmation. For some reason, that tilted me a little, so I worked out my point of control, value area high and low. My original strategy was to put a buy limit order right here and a sell here to catch the 70% zone trade. But instead, I kinda got impatient, set a buy limit, got tapped, and I got stopped out. And got tilted and tried to use my brain thinking I was Albert Einstein, but I decided to put a buy limit order and tried predicting price was here. So I put a sell limit to try to scalp a little to my buy limit order, which worked somehow. So I did decide to wait for my next buy order, which it eventually hit, and so after winning the previous one, I was feeling good, you know? Until I completely smashed my stop limit. And for some reason, that was my last straw, and I just got tilted and gambled. Yeah, so here's a checklist of everything I did wrong. So I didn't follow my bias, trust my strategy, I got impatient, I crashed out again, crashed out again, and I also crashed out again. So yeah, I'll definitely try to improve on Wednesday to Friday. But thanks for watching guys, have a good one.